Haka sien ka nyngkong bada Myntri badai kmi Yakatanat Sports and Youth Affairs ba unda herhi dala ka jong ka men ba unlej ban a ya ka kitbok kitwiang ka jong u shaki khynnah skul ka jala kiban kre ban mihkhmat shaka lumpung ba ele kai football ki skul kata Subroto Cup International Football Tournament kaban long hasor ba Bengaluru bat hanong ba Delhi. Haka ni kakinti kabamanta haka under 15 ki khynnah shinrang ka skul kaban len bakan mihkhmat kade ka North Liberty High Secondary School Juwai West Giant Hills District but haka under 17 ki khynnah shinrang menta kakinti on mihkhmat ta ka skul kabala ju yora yaka nam lado ka OM Roy Memorial. Kini ki arti ki skul kin sakre ban mi na ka jala hagini kindat singi ki bansawan. Hakabaya day bat kani nakaliang ka office jong ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs kalapan long ya ka jingalang bat kitbok kitrwiang ya kini ki arti ki school HJN Stadium Polo. Hakabala wan bandan lang da Myntri badik mi ya Katanat Sports ba wailat mki Syllad u Director Katanan uba A Nombri Deputy Director ba Payawar Nombri u Assistant Director ubala airu ikikintin tiang ngobha uba krobok pasa Sports Officer kong Darlin Konglam DSO ke East Khasi Hills but West Giant Hills ba Damang Singkan kong Linza FCM ya ka jingalang barok kaway la penyai da ka kong Rida Lendam Senior Coach ka DSYA. Nalor kata lawan bandan lang ru President but Vice President but kat ka Meghalaya Football Association uba Hamletson Dotling ba Cliff R Nongrum but ba Freddy Karpran. Nalor kata lawan bansa kilang daw principal ka North Liberty High Secondary School ba Richard Yuria but ba Kraus Imli balawan ban mihkhmat nak benta ka school OM Roy Memorial but baladon lang ru ki khnai elek kai jong baro artlik school.
Take this opportunity to thank these two schools who have really set the examples for other schools in our state. No doubt as a government, it is our endeavor to see that all the schools in our state should come and participate in whether it is Subroto Cup, whether it is inter-school or inter-college or other competition. But it is so unfortunate and so sad that very few turn up, very few schools turn up. They have a lot of excuse to give that it might affect the academics and so on and so forth. But I must say that really North Liberty Higher Secondary School and OM Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School have really shown that if you have a passion, like the word goes, if there is a will, there is a way. And I must thank you. And at the same time, I think, let's give yourself a big round of applause. You are the state champion today. You are the state champion and you are going today to represent us at the national and international level. I must, at the same time, I must thank Myntri, the principal of the North Liberty Higher Secondary School, who has been like an elder brother to me. He always, if I do anything wrong, he's the first one to correct me. I always get a message. So thank you, Ma. And always, like I said, I think really you have been an example to other schools, not only in Giant Hills, but in the whole state of Meghalaya. I must inform OM Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School that North Liberty Higher Secondary School, I think you have seen it yourself, that they didn't just excel in sports, but they excel in academic as well. They, for the last so many consecutive years, they have been at the top 20 list of the class 10 and class 12. So that shows that you can take academic and sports simultaneously if you have that will. At the same time, I hope that Memorial Secondary School also, they are doing well in academics. And I think Memorial need no introduction. We know very well, and they have been producing players for so many years, and we have very high hope and expectation. And I think both the schools are not new, not because the IIT school is like a second home for me. And Memorial also just recently I came and visit, and I want to assure you I still remember my promise that I like to inform you also that we have sanctioned that 50 lakhs for your football ground for the schools.
Cơn màu, snow, ya, pinong yalang sa. Naman cơn màu, nasa itendo de pibe, pinong i-association to pibe ski, to pibe jala. Pinong penyai, to pibe i tournament. Pinong pi habe kanya sisa dalam kong tu. Pidonnya kesokan, kabasakot, sabayana. Dan pimpin orang nak kuat tadi orang kemarau di jalan di dalam di mana? Oh di jalan di dalam tu. Nama mereka nyo yang tadi kesupport tu berdua. Dan mau ni hak itu yang ni kembali ke orang bersyukur ni. Jadi belum juga kecil kebanyakan ni. Tapi ni sus. Babi yang nak kecil perlu kenal tadi. Dan ni kena investment jogi nak tak lasai for future. Kenapa nak kenal? Pilih pan clear, but snow hard. Kani kati the lifetime opportunity. Kenal yo, hadin pinong chang selection, pinong job show yang kani ka Subroto Cup, pinong yo action kan you. Kenal, nanta this is the only time for you. Kani tanda ni kani ka por ikibat proof ya lagi. Wakau nanta kau kan pechua nanta kan sudah pechua kuno berjalan kan cakai suara menit dan dengan lek kan lek kati. Not sampai tak terusnya, lasai usnya barang dan sana kait. No, this is the only shot opportunity. The datang kau ini. This is the time